So, the process of creating a Gmail ID on your phone is very easy. And it is the same for both Android and iPhone. So first, connect to the internet, and then open any browser. In my case, I have opened the Google Chrome browser. Once you are here, open a new tab and search for Gmail. Sign up. After that, tap on Create a Gmail account. Then, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Here, you will find the option Add another account. Click on it. You will see the option Create Account. Tap on it. You have two options, for myself or to manage my business. You can choose according to your preference. Then, enter your first name and last name and tap Next. After this, you need to select your birthday and gender. This is up to you. Enter your date of birth and select your gender. Then, you need to choose a Gmail address. Next, enter a strong password and tap Next. After that, scroll down and tap on I agree. Once you tap on I agree, your Gmail ID will be created. So, this video must have been helpful for you, whether you use Android or iPhone. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.